Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Let's see the another one. Instagram followers real mixed, and that would be 30 days refill. This is also refill with refill. Instagram followers 5k to 10k per day is real mixed, refill 30 days instant. Instagram followers B5 working good, real mixed, 30-day refill starting. It will be start within 0 to 12 hours. Instagram followers super fast R30, that's mean refill instant, and that would be 30k per day. Instagram followers real maximum 300k refill 30 days, 1 hour to 1 hour 5k per day instant. Instagram followers B6 mix, and that is also refill within 30 days and instant. Instagram followers B5 99 days refill. Instagram followers B2, and that is also real mix, and there is no refill services. Okay. Instagram followers maximum 1000k and refill 99 days instant. Instagram followers 30 days refill. Followers 30 days refill instant. Instagram followers real mixed, that's mean they will give real followers. Okay, real means real followers they will give, also they will mixed it with mixed things. That's mean real and fake mixed one they will give. And this is the refill within 30 days, 60 days. Instagram high follower maximum 100k, 60 days refill instant. Instagram followers real mixed, 30 days refill start. It will start within 0 to 12 hours. Real Instagram followers maximum 30k, and that is also with refill service. Instagram followers maximum and refill. Instagram followers B7 maximum 100k instant. So we have showed all the services. Now we will go with the safe one, right? So you can see here Instagram followers mixed and 30-day refill instant. Okay, and that is 1k to 50k per day. Okay, so from here you can see that Instagram they will give us followers, but that would be with mixed one, that's mean real and fake, both, right? And here
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification click the bell icon.